welcome to my channel. And guess what? I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. This was a awesome haul. It ended up being one of my best money makers in a very long time. So I'm here to show you guys the deals that I got. So the first deal I got are the Schick razors. These are on sale for $5.99. You guys want to spend $20 before coupons to get a $5,000 register rewards, which is equal, or $5,000, 5,000 points, which equals to $5. So what you guys want to do is, I always get the bonus ones because I love it. So what you guys want to do is get 4 razors. Hopefully you guys have 4 of those coupons, those $4 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys would buy 4 of them, use 4 $4 off coupons. You guys would pay $7.96, but then you get 5,000 points for buying over 4, making it every single one for $2.96 or 74 cents a piece, which I think is an awesome deal for razors. So definitely do that deal. The trolley gummies or the Black Forest gummies are on sale. These were $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99, but then you guys would get a $1.99 register reward, making these absolutely free. You can do this deal as many times as you want. Just do not use these register rewards. Save these register rewards for a different transaction or something next week or something. So definitely do that deal if you guys enjoy that. A huge moneymaker that I did is the dime tap deal. Now, I bought these and I scanned them at the store on my Ibotta account. 2 deals came up for $2 and $2.50. So if you guys are going to do this deal, make sure you do it right away, because I don't know how long the Ibotta deal is going to go for. So these were $5.99. Okay, you guys want to use 4 of the dime tap $3 off coupons, and then whatever else you guys need. If you want Robitussin, or if you guys want, there's Advil. So you guys want to use 5 of those $3 off coupons. You guys would end up paying, these are $5.99. You guys would end up paying $14.95 for this, okay? But then you guys would want to submit $2 Ibotta rebate and $2.50 rebate. If you guys both have that, that's $4.50 each one. So that's like, I think this is 16 bucks. I can't remember. I don't remember off the top of my head how much you guys got. But then you also get 5,000 points for spending over $25. So this ends up becoming an $8.05 moneymaker. So definitely do that deal. I'm hoping this deal resets itself, because I am going to do it again. That is such an awesome deal. $8.05 moneymaker just with Ibotta. So that's 2 rebates for me for Ibotta. The next deal I got is this Blink Tiers. Now this was $11.79. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon off of justblink.com. Plus there's a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just end up paying $5.79 for this. But then you guys can submit to Checkout 51 and you get a $3 rebate from Checkout 51, making the final price for this just $2.79. I did the Revitalize again. This was $10.49. You guys want to use a $3 off and a $5 off coupon. You guys would just pay $2.49 for this. But then you can also submit a $3 rebate on Checkout 51. Same coupon, justblink.com. So you guys, if you guys buy both of these together on Checkout 51, you guys will get a $1 bonus. So this ends up being a 51-cent moneymaker already, but then you get, if you get both of them together, it comes out to be $1.28, which I think is a pretty good deal for contact lenses. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I ended up getting General Mills cereal because that's something I haven't stocked up on a lot, and a lot of my cereal is finally going down. So these were 2 for $4, so $2 a piece. You guys want to use a $1 off a 2 coupon. That's on coupons.com. You guys will end up paying $3 for this, but then you can also submit a $1 off a 2 rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for these just $1 a box, which I think is an awesome deal. I ended up getting these buy drinks. My husband was excited that I got something new for him. So these were 2 for $3.50 or $1.75 a piece. You guys would end up paying $3.50 for both of these. You guys can get one, but I know at Walgreens you have to like buy 2 for it to be cheaper. But you guys will you can end up submitting a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta times 2, making the final price for these just $1.25. Not the greatest deal, but I've never tried these drinks. My husband's super excited to try these. I've seen these really popular. So definitely do that deal if you guys are interested in something like that. I got the Centrum vitamins. Now, a lot of you guys told me this deal last time I did this, but I didn't load it to my account, and you can't load it after you already bought the product, so I had to buy this again. So these vitamins were $6.99. I used a $4 off coupon that was in today's paper. You guys would just get this for $2.99. But then you can also submit a $4 rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for this just $1.01 Moneymaker. So we got that. I ended up getting the Renews-Its. I love these. I absolutely love these. I love, you know, just smelling them. I have them, like, most of them in my basement because I have a cat, and I just like having them, like, throughout the house. So can't go wrong with these. But these were 89 cents. There is a buy 4 get 2 free coupon plus, or there's a coupon for $2.20 off of redplum.com. Now I ended up doing that coupon because it comes out cheaper. So if you guys can use that $2.20 coupon from redplum.com, you guys would end up paying $3.14 for 6 of these. Plus, you guys can submit a $2.20 rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for these just 94 cents. That's like less than 20 cents a piece, or even less than that. It's probably like 15 cents a piece, which is an awesome, awesome deal. I ended up getting vanilla, apple, cinnamon, and raspberry. I'm starting to really like the raspberry. I don't know why I didn't get more of that. So that was that. So that was my Walgreens haul. Not much, but be prepared. I will be doing a second haul because I do order coupons from some other place, because if you guys see my coupons, I don't get hardly anything, and if I do, they're not very good. So be prepared. I will probably doing a second, I'm going to be doing a second haul for you guys, and if it's that awesome this week, I'll probably do a third haul for you guys. So my total after coupons, I had $70 worth of coupons. Crazy, 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 crazy. My total came to $10.12 for everything, and I did not pay with points. I just wanted to get a boost in points. And I also had that where if you spend 20 or 25, you get 7,000 points. I also was like $4 away from Beauty. And then I also got 5,000 points for the Chic. And then I got 5,000 points for the Dine Tap. So I just got a lot of money back today. So $10.12. I ended up getting $18.75 back with Ibotta before the 2 Dime Taps rebates, and then the 50 cents buy drink, and then I had a 25-cent off any receipt. I also got $6 back with checkout 51 plus that dollar bonus for buying both of them. I also will get $7.20 back with Saving Star, and then I also received that $1.99 rebate or register rewards. So that came out to be $24.82 moneymaker. But then I also got 22,000 points. That was because of, you know, the Chic, the dime tap, and then the beauty points, and then that spend 20 get 7,000 points. So that came to 22,000 points, which is technically $24, because if you guys redeem 18,000 points, that's 20 bucks. So just letting you guys know, 22,000 is $24. So this ended up becoming a $48.82 moneymaker. It's crazy, 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 crazy. I didn't go crazy, but I think this is awesome. I really love getting points. I now probably have about like $80, $90 worth of points. But, yeah, and I keep finding out somebody still continues to use my account. I've called Walgreens 3 times. I've chatted with them 3 different times saying somebody keeps using my account. And it's the same people. I am so sick of this. I probably do a story time on just how I'm so sick and tired of how Walgreens cannot get these people from using my account. They don't take my points, but they give me points, which is a good thing, but I just don't like it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys are enjoying these hauls, and I will see you guys all Tuesday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.